Hello everyone. So today I would like to demonstrate how we can use Powerapp but with the Copilot. So yeah, I am very excited about using Copilot. So Copilot is a relatively a new feature and it's a AI based. So let's gets into the demo first, and let me sign in first. And it will loading my environment. So you see, there is no Copilot yet. So in this video I will also give you a technique how you can enable Copilot, but first I will go my environment where I already set up the Copilot. So yeah, so here is here you can see a Copilot. So Copilot, as I told you, that it's a AI based feature where you can just give uh, English sentence command, so it's generate a application for you. Yes, really it's a cool feature. So let's create a demo app. I need a e-commerce app. Okay, just a simple prompt. I am uh, inputting this simple prompt. So once I input a prompt should be a pretty simple but pretty useful. Prompt is a base, or communication engine between natural language processing or neural networks. So it's a communication between. So I missed the app, I corrected it, and then click enter. So it's going to generate it something for me. So Copilot is active. You see Copilot here. I need a e-commerce app. So my prompt is, so it's creating something for me. So it's create a schema for me that I have ID, name, price, and category, description, image, etc, etc. What about I need an order date as well. So please add column order date. Let's say this is my second prompt. So let's say it's once it's processed, I have to wait for its completion. Okay, so order date is added here. So you can add as many other column as well. If you are not okay with the schema, you can change it. You can change the existing column, you can change the type as well. Here you can see the properties, advanced option like this. So I'm not going to use this because I'm assuming that I'm a layman and I want to develop a app, okay, without writing a single code using Copilot. So next step is create app. Okay, so it's going to create a app as well. Meanwhile the interface is loading, I would like to tell, oh okay, I would like to tell how we can enable the uh, portal with Copilot. For example, if you have a sign in and you are not able to see anything, so you need to go admin center, where in admin center you have to go environments. So it's loading environments, or you can create a new environment because I have already created an environment. So my environment is S Ali Raza Khazmi. So here my environment is S Ali Raza Khazmi. So it should be a United region should be United States. Okay, so it should be, or we can delete, we can play with different options. If we are, for example, I would say my Copilot environment, it should be United States. If you use India or other countries like South Africa, Australia, then Copilot is unfortunately not available right now because in preview mode, and then you need to just save it. So that's a pretty simple technique where you can activate your Copilot environment. So let's get back into our application. So it's created something for us, so let's walk through this what is created. So it is a gallery. Okay, so it's generated a code as well. Some code is here. I am not going detail in the code. Assume that we are not coder, we are not developer. And this is a card, uh, multiple cards. So we have a right side container, we have some icons and like this. So let's play this app first. Okay, so as I instruct the Copilot that we need a e-commerce site, so it's create e-commerce type. It assume that we are selling t-shirt, we are selling laptops. It's a sample data. So let's say we have a toy car. Let me change the quantity, 25, and price should be 30. Okay, for my just for playing or understanding. Okay, so toy is now 30, and for example laptop is again 5, toy car is now updating got 25 and 30. Let's add a new record. Okay, so we have, so instead of numeric sequence, I'm going to use any string value ABCD, and my camera price is $300, quantity is 2, category is like electronics. I don't have image, so I am skipping this, and status is yes, available, which may be mean. So let's save it. So here you go, you have a camera like this. So I can delete any record, but for the sake of, I can change the formation into Apple, iPad, iPad product, Samsung, and then Apple iPhone, and even canvas size. So let's get back to the development screen. So this is a development interface. For the sake of site, I have to want to see data, just for my understanding that the database is Microsoft DataVerse and current environment it's using. And let me go to edit the data. How many, this is again sample records we have entered, or yeah, this is sample record 1 to 5 we have, and we have entered a new record ABCD. Let's show some more columns, like what I have price, I am quantity, and status. Let's say I want to add these 3 columns. Okay, so these are active. Okay, so 300 is my price for ABCD. I have 2 quantity. So I hope you get the idea how we can develop a app in Power Apps using Copilot. Once you add app, you can save it, and once its application is saved, your app is saved to the computer. It's already have, so I want to saving it. Okay, so I need to change. Your file is ready. I can download it, but for the sake of, I'm not downloading it. So this is my app e-commerce order. Okay, so I think that's is pretty much for the today. So I hope you will like this feature Copilot Microsoft has established. Keep in mind that Copilot is not only work with or available with the Microsoft app, it is also available for Microsoft Flow. So in the next video I will also explain how we can develop an exciting workflow using Power Automate, or formerly called Microsoft Flow. Thank you very much and for watching this video. Thank you, take care, bye.